Welcome back to Brain Candy TV.
Hey Brainiacs! Do you like monster trucks? Let's review our numbers from 1 to 10 by counting these cool monster trucks. Here's monster truck number 1, and here's number 2. Here comes numbers 3 and 4. Uh-oh.
Hey Brainiacs! It's Halloween! And our stunt-jumping monster trucks are all dressed up in their favorite Halloween costumes. Lizzie is all set for Halloween too. Can you guess what she's dressed as? She's an Ewok from Star Wars. Isn't she cute?
Whoa, look at those huge tires on number 7. Here's number 7 and number 8.
Nice one.
Look out! Here comes number 9 and number 10.
Truck number 8 is dressed up like a cowboy. Go get him, cowboy! Yee-haw!
And number 10.
Whoa, nice backflip,
10
number
monster
8.
trucks. Let's count them as they go by.
Truck number
1,
7 isn't a cowboy.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Next up is truck number 4.
Looks like we're gonna need a tow
Number
truck.
4 is wearing the uniform of a brave firefighter. Firefighters are like real-life superheroes. Go, number 4!
Now we have all 10 monster trucks. Let's count them as they go by. 1, down.
Great jump, number 4!
Oh, not that slow. Watch out.
10,
Uh-oh.
9,
Looks like we're gonna need a tow truck.
7,
Hey, Lizzie, wasn't that
6,
fun? Let's review the
5,
numbers 1 to 10 with some fun
4,
toy monster trucks.
3, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 monster trucks. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 monster trucks.
candy. Number 3 has 3 pieces of
Looks like we're
candy.
gonna need a tow. Uh-oh.
Our firefighter truck,
like
number
we're gonna need a
4,
tow-
has 4 pieces of candy.
Looks like we're gonna need a tow.
Number 5 has 5
Looks like
pieces
we're
of
gonna need a tow.
candy.
Uh-oh.
What's
Looks like
that?
we're gonna need a tow.
Hey, that mean old witch is taking all of number 4's
Looks like we're
candy.
gonna need a tow.
That's not fair. Now she has
Looks like we're
9
gonna need a tow
pieces.
truck.
Hey, come back here, you big meanie.
Watch out.
Don't worry, Batman will get your candy back.
Looks like we're gonna need a tow.
Let's see, where were we?
Looks like we're
Oh
gonna need a
yeah,
tow.
truck number 6 has 6 pieces of
Looks like we're gonna
candy.
need a tow.
Nice job.
Oh.
Number 7
Looks like
has
we're gonna
7
need a
pieces
tow.
of candy.
Looks like we're gonna need a tow.
Number
See you
8
next
got
time.
8 pieces of candy. Everything you want to be when you grow up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our new videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.